Sabona Mfundi, welcome to our day 2 of the 21-day Ndebele challenge. So in today's challenge, we're going to be talking about the immediate family. We're going to be talking about your sister, your brother, your mother, right? So let's just get into it. So I have 3 words for you. The first one is umnawami, umnewethu, and udadewethu. Okay, so which of these words means elder sister? Udadewethu, right? So which of these words would mean elder brother? Umnewethu. Auntie, yeah, you got that right. So let's move on to which of these words would mean younger sister? Your younger sister. It's umnawami. Auntie, that's your younger sister. Now, how would you introduce your siblings? Let's start with your sister. How would you introduce your sister? Lo ngudadewethu. Auntie. All right, let's move on to your brother. How would you introduce your brother? Lo ngumnewethu. Auntie. I hope you got that right. And then lastly, how would you introduce your younger sibling? How would you introduce your younger sibling to your friends? What would you say? Lo ngumnawami. Auntie Phela, you got that right. Let's move on. So now you want to say, these are my sisters. Auntie, these are my brothers. These are my younger siblings. How would you introduce them? Let's start with your sisters. You want to say, these are my sisters. What would you say? Laba ngodadewethu. Auntie, laba ngodadewethu. All right, let's move on to your brothers. You want to say, these are my brothers. What would you say? Laba ngabanewethu. Auntie Phela, you got it right. And then your younger siblings, what would you say? Laba ngabanawami. Auntie Phela. All right. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions. And I need a response from you. Auntie, let's get into it. Unjani ubaba wakho? Ubaba wami uyaphila. Auntie, I'm sure that was your response. Unjani umamakho? Umama wami uyaphila. Auntie Phela, that's what you would say. Unjani umntanakho? What's your response? Umntanami uyaphila. Auntie. And unjani udadewenu? What's your response there? Udadewethu uyaphila. Auntie Phela. And lastly, unjani umnewenu? What's your response there? Umnewethu uyaphila. Auntie. Kulungile mfundi. Let's just move on. So this whole time we've been talking about family. Auntie Phela. So what's the Ndebele word for family? Imuli. Auntie. Exactly. So for Shona speakers, this word sounds similar to Shona. Auntie. In Shona you say muri. Auntie. So imuli, muri. Auntie. So you also want to say my family, your family, his or her family. What would you say? My family, imuli yami. Auntie. Imuli yami. And then your family. Imuli yakho. Auntie, you got that right. And then his or her family. Imuli yakhe. That's it for today. Let me leave you with a simple challenge, Auntie. So how do you say this in Ndebele? I am coming from town with my sister. Right now, I am going to church. Auntie, tell us your answer in the comments below, and I'm going to see you in the next challenge.